Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm really excited and a little bit nervous. I've never done a talk through makeup tutorial before. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys like it. And so this is my first video on YouTube. And okay, so for those of you who don't know me, I'm Riya Dhandhukiya. I have my Instagram page named Mood Swings and Makeup. I'm a makeup artist, a certified makeup artist. I have done my course from Fatmo from Mumbai. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with this product. Okay, it's called Vitamin C Brightening Drops and it's from Pure Bubbles. Just applying it a little. Because for this kind of look, you need to prep like really well. Next I'm using Vitamin C toning cream. It's from Essentry. Next I'm using sunscreen. This is from La Shield. Now I'm using this MAC Strobe cream. So now I'm using PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream. This is for pores. So now I'm done prepping my skin. I'm gonna jump into my correct concealing. I'm using La Pro really dark one. This is called Fawn. Foundation Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in shade 220 Natural Beige. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the product on my palette, little, I'm gonna add my drops into it. Why I'm doing this is because we want a very dewy finish. So I'm applying a little bit of serum or anything for that matter. So I've done very light layer of my foundation because I don't want to go too much. So you can see the glow right through the foundation as well. And that's what we want. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is a little lighter shade. I'm blending it on my lids as well. Now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix. I'm going very light with this because we need the dewy effect. So yeah. So for eyes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my blush palette. I'm gonna take something like this and apply it on my lids. Now I'm taking my MAC eyeshadow pot. This is in the shade Woodwind. So now what we are doing is I'm taking a little bit of that on my finger and I'm gonna apply it all over my lids. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my Pears soap and I'm applying a little fixer on it. Now I'm taking my Miss Claire eyebrow palette. Now I'm taking the same palette and these two colors. I'll apply a little bit on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my blush palette. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my contouring.
Feels like just a
Now I'm taking my highlighter. This is from Forever 52. This is the dewy finish we wanted. Now I'm taking my Nika's lipstick. Okay, so this is in shade 11M Naughty Nude. There's like a lot of pink on my lips, so I'm taking my MAC all-time favorite. This is in shade taupe. So this is my whole dewy look. So yeah, I hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe, and